Me was wild like river rushing down, but didn't know what it mean to settle down. I see good women pass me by, but my heart wasn't ready for try. Then she come like sunrise in a storm. Didn't try to fix me, just kept warm. She prayed more than she spoke, and every time I broke, she hoped. She waited through my darkest day, even when I push her far away. She loved my past, my flaws, held me true because I never earned her grace. But she stayed, she prayed, she waited anyway. Bring her tears and late night fears. Me run from love for all them years, but she never once made me feel small. She loved me big through every fall. Me come back with me head on low. She smile and say me always know, 'cause real love don't walk out, it waits at the door with no doubt. Me ask her why she never let me go. She said 'cause God tell me so. Me never see love that look like this, pure like gospel, deep like it. She waited anyway, when me lost my way, when my prayers couldn't find what to say. She fight with faith, she never run.